Can we go a little faster? I'm shooting video. Come on, go, go, go. I wanted to get the opening into the bay, but